Unrevealed secret of getting software jobs. Hi there, I am Kishore Kumar Ravichandran here from KishoreRchandran.com. Welcome to brand new video and in which I am going to cover very important topic which is unrevealed secret of getting software job. And I want to bust out inside of video and show to very value to you. So stay tuned and make to watch till the end. Let's begin. So first we going to see why software jobs. Then we move on to why so difficult in nowadays. Then we go ahead with basic skill need to learn and do programming or software coding. Then we move on to success mindset for getting software job. And then we move on to advantages of working startup company. Then we move on to advantages of working big MNC company. Then we go ahead with how to develop software programming skill and how to get a job, and we move on to getting a job via social media marketing. Then we move on to tips for non-IT graduates to get a software job. Finally, we finished up with takeaway of getting jobs. So first we start with why software jobs. So software jobs are easy to grab if you have right skill like strong programming skill and good communication skill. Software jobs are huge demand. Jobs are more abundant. Salary are paying very well. You work better working environment, flexibility of working. Engineers from any discipline can seek the job. No other industry has this much quantity. Why so difficult in nowadays? 1.5 million engineers passed out every year. Lot of competition due to non-increasing in manufacturing jobs. These are the key roles of getting job is difficult. So next we move on to basic skill need to learn and do programming or software coding. You need aptitude skill, analytic and problem solving skill, basic understanding of programming structure and logic, then propensity for learning software coding. So success mindset for getting software job is clear motive for getting job, not for money. Serious about doing programming, try to enjoy doing the programming, clear in what kind of job you are looking for. Try to learn something in which you are made for what you like to doing. So work hard, try for excellence, keep your ego aside, attend the interview for start company too. Never mind even if you aren't paid like any of those IT graduates. What is important is try to land a job and get better as time goes on. So advantages of working in startup companies, working an early age of startup, at least one in a career, preferably at first 3 years of your career. Enormous ground in knowledge wise, more learning opportunities, vast knowledge about technology, knowing about marketing, and most importantly, know how to run the company. Advantages of working big MNC. You will become better player while working in a team. You know what process should follow for better development and collaboration. Know the importance of code reviews, tools, visual and interaction designs, better coding practice, learn and implement design patterns, etc. So then we go ahead with how to develop software programming skill. Code is like a game. Anybody can learn it. If you have an appetite to create something productive, if you don't have a basic understanding of what you are trying to code, then it will be hard. Try to clear your basic. For example, I will not able to build a website unless I have good knowledge of about basic UI technology like HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, etc. Some can understand coding but lack in practice. Coding is all about the practice. The more you practice, better you get it. Connect with other developers, join online communities to support your transition. Be prepared to put in hundreds of hours it will to become an expert. So how to get a software job? So to get a software job, you have to improve your skill set, build your network, improve your communication skill, and other key points also. So improving skill set is a major key role for getting a job. Finding a job as a fresher is one of the most difficult tasks because no company want to hire inexperienced candidates. Only way to get a job is you have to more skill. The more skill you have, you can easily get a job. Try to learn more skill. It will enhance your career profile also. Polish your interview skill. So build your network. If you have right skill, don't you have information about job openings, then it's all not worth it. Try to connect with people on LinkedIn and join Facebook groups. Make yourself visible outside the regular job portals like Naukri, Monster, etc. and our piles of resumes. Attend the networking events, act on code competition, etc. of such companies. There is a chance for turning eyeball towards you even if you come second or run up such events. Stalk them on every social media. All you need is attention of one of influence person who ask for your resume or get repo. But Kevat is you have to be good at your skill. There is no chance that there is no vacancy in the IT field. The only problem is the approach to finding the job. So the advantage of building network is get the information about the jobs opening. It will also help in referral job that has less competition compared to off campus. So next one is improve your communication skill. Plays a very important role in getting jobs. If you have more knowledge but you can't elaborate your knowledge to others, then there is no use of that knowledge. This is the area where a lot of people don't get their work or dream job. Make sure you are working on your communication. So other key points for to get a job is appear in a AMCAT, Elitmus and job law examination and try to get a marks, try to get more than 70%. I think I feel AMCAT is easiest of three. So if you can't get good marks, then you can do some live projects or take training of few months for .NET or Java. So you can be recruited from startup who directly applied in the company by showing their current project in current live project. Attend Saturday events. You can get talk to CEOs, head of the startup company directly by showing your skill. Always look for open drive and apply resume there. Keep on doing unless you get the job. Go to the Google and search all software development company. Go to the career section. At least apply to 20 companies in a day. So it will give at least two interviews every week. There are many jobs for which you don't need to have expertise in IT skill. All you need to do in some IT related short term course. Posts like designing, animation, digital marketing will help you as their tools to perform activities in this field. So enroll a trusted consultancy. Don't give money to anybody for jobs. Try to ask startup company if they would be interested to hire you for low salary. Work there for a year or more. After getting some experience, you may switch. If you become a core member of startup, then even better. So to run company, find out the email of founders and email them. Follow some on Twitter and LinkedIn. Ask them to ask there. So getting job via social media, you can get a job via LinkedIn, or you can get join the sub job searching Facebook group. LinkedIn in LinkedIn, you optimize your resume, review and update your existing resume. Establish a LinkedIn presence. Provide basic background information. Ask for key recommendation from previous current colleagues. Integrate LinkedIn into physical resume. Lead recruiters, hiring managers to LinkedIn profile for even more presentation, collateral, and recommendations. So use the LinkedIn for job search, connect with hiring managers, send them a message, gain some background information on their own experience. So keep a record of corresponding with hiring managers, integrate your calendar to record, integrate your phone call to make a call, keep notes for your conversation, set reminder to talk, contact for meetings. We research on company pages, get a feel for current employees at the company, view average length of time at the company, learn about their culture before anyone knows you. Know more about the company than ever before. Because be comfortable with a potential employer. Don't just exit on link. Use it to your advantages. So next we move on to tips for non-IT graduates to get a software job. Do course from online or offline platform like Udemy, Upgrade, etc. Focus should be on learning skill, not for earning certificate. Learn those skills which are in high demand. Currently, data analytics, machine learning are high demand. Demand list is not exhaustive, but keep on changing from time to time. Be prepared and then try for the opportunities. Be clear with basic concepts like C, SQL, or little bit of C Sharp or Java. Some of your engineering domain is also required. The interviewer look for the person who can adapt to any situation and who can learn things easily. So prepare accordingly. So have a good preparation and make yourself always ready for good new opportunity and interviews. Try to get a referrals. Try to get connection using LinkedIn. The CV should be good. Finally, we move on to takeaways. So, in the time of digitalization, it has become relaxed to find a job. Today, candidate can show their skill based on pre-assessment test. Candidate can get equal opportunity as experience by performing in this pre-assessment test. There are various online platforms which you can apply for job vacancy in startup and some bigger company also. AMCOT, e-litmus, and JobNot test score are valid for many IT sectors companies, which help you job seekers to get their packages. Enlist top 10 employers in your niche and follow their job opening. Create a dynamic CV. Dynamic CV means make your CV as per company requirement. Enlist your accomplishment rather than your task and duties. Do share what you makes you different and help you stand out from the crowd. Present something interesting, stop being regular, keep updating your profile and time again. So minimize the analysis. Don't ever think salary is very low. Company is not what to try. I don't know XYZ things. You can't clear aptitude, technical, etc. Don't analyze more even if the ops is not as your requirement. You will underconfident. So give the shot. Either you will get experience or get a job. So believe in knowledge, not in money. Never pay a single penny for a job. Several scams are happening at regular intervals where a company instead of large of amount money promise to get a job but run away. So please avoid it. So make you update you with current openings and walk-ins to make sure of your online presence, learn skill and apply for the job, find and apply with one real job listing at least. You can also consult a career expert, follow up with pending job application. These all the points I covered in getting jobs, unrevealed secrets. Thank you.